Good day everyone, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss to you about adding and subtracting dissimilar rational algebraic expressions. So in this video, we will talk about dissimilar rational algebraic expressions and how to add and subtract them. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell for you to be updated of my upcoming videos. In my previous video, I discussed to you about adding and subtracting rational algebraic expressions, but we talked about similar rational algebraic expressions. This time, we will deal with dissimilar rational algebraic expressions. What do you mean by dissimilar rational algebraic expressions? These rational algebraic expressions have different denominators. So, in this video, again, we will add and subtract dissimilar rational algebraic expressions. In this lesson, there are prerequisite skills that you need to know so that this lesson will be easy for you. First is you have to know how to factor polynomials. I have videos on how to factor polynomials. Factoring polynomials by the GCMF or the greatest common monomial factor, factoring difference of two squares, factoring sum and difference of two cubes, factoring general trinomial, and factoring perfect square trinomial. You need also to know how to find the LCM of polynomials, because in this lesson, we are going to find the least common denominator of the two rational algebraic expressions. In finding the LCD, it is somehow the same way of finding the LCM. And also, you need to know how to simplify rational algebraic expressions, because we will express our final answer in simplest form. Are you ready? Let's start. I have here 4x over 3 plus 2x over 5. As you can see, we have two rational algebraic expressions, and the two expressions have different denominators. So first, we have to find the LCD of these expressions. How to find the LCD? And that is by finding the LCM of 3 and 5. So the LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. Therefore, 15 is the LCD of these two rational algebraic expressions. If the two denominators have no common factor, then you will just multiply the two denominators to get the LCM. And that will be the LCD of our rational algebraic expressions. Now we will find the new numerators of our expression. How to do that? 15 divided by the denominator 3, that is equal to 5. Then we will multiply it to the numerator in our first rational algebraic expression, 4x plus 15 divided by the denominator 5, that is equal to 3. Then we will multiply this to the numerator 2x. Then we will simplify. 5 times 4x is equal to 20x. Positive 3 times 2x is equal to positive 6x. All over 15, our LCD. We will simplify the numerator. 20x plus 6x is 26x over 15. So our answer is 26x over 15. Let's have another example. 2x minus 1 all over x plus 2y minus 1 all over y. We don't have the same denominators, so we will find first the LCD of the two rational algebraic expressions. So the LCM of x and y is equal to xy. X and y have no common factors, so we will just multiply them. So x times y is equal to xy. To find the new numerators, we will divide xy by the denominator x. Xy divided by x is y, because we can cross out x. Then y will be multiplied to the numerator 2x minus 1. Then copy the operation, plus, repeat the process, xy divided by the denominator y. The answer is x, because we can cross out y. Then we will multiply x to the numerator 2y minus 1. Then we will simplify. Y times 2x minus 1 is equal to 2xy minus y. Positive x times the binomial 2y minus 1 is equal to 2xy minus x all over the denominator xy. Next, we have to simplify the numerator by combining like terms. We can combine 2xy plus 2xy. So we have 4xy. Then we will just copy negative x, negative y. We will arrange the variable here. Then copy the denominator. This is now our answer, 4xy minus x minus y all over xy. This is already written in simplest form because the expression in the numerator and in the denominator have no common factor. Let's try this example. 2x minus 2 all over x squared plus 5x plus 6 plus 5 over x plus 2. First, we have to factor x squared plus 5x plus 6. So the factors are x plus 2 times x plus 3. Then, as you can see, the denominator in the second expression can't be factored. So we will just copy 5 over x plus 2. As you can see, we have now common factor x plus 2 and the non-common factor x plus 3. After factoring, we can now find the LCD of the expressions. And that is copying the common factor x plus 2 times the non-common factor x plus 3. Then we will find the new numerators, and that is by dividing x plus 2 times x plus 3, our LCD, by the denominator x plus 2 times x plus 3. The answer is 1. Then we will multiply it to the numerator 2x minus 2. Then we will divide x plus 2 times x plus 3 by the denominator in the second rational algebraic expression x plus 2. So x plus 2 times x plus 3 divided by x plus 2 is equal to x plus 3, because we can cross out x plus 2. Then we will multiply x plus 3 to the numerator 5. That's why we have plus 5 times x plus 3. Then we are going to simplify the numerator. Let's multiply first 1 times 2x minus 2. The answer is 2x minus 2. Then we have 5x plus 15 after multiplying 5 times x plus 3 all over the denominator x plus 2 times x plus 3. Then simplify the numerator by combining like terms. So we have 7x after adding 2x and 5x, positive 13 after adding negative 2 and positive 15, all over x plus 2 times x plus 3. As you can see, the numerator 7x plus 13 and the denominator x plus 2 times x plus 3 have no common factor. So this is our answer, in which the denominator is in factored form. We can express our answer in expanded form, and that is by multiplying the expressions x plus 2 and x plus 3 in the denominator. So we have 7x plus 13 all over x squared plus 5x plus 6. Again, you can express your answer in factored form or in expanded form. This time we have subtraction. 5 over x minus 3 over x minus 1. As you can see, the denominators have no common factor, so we will multiply them to have our LCD. Then we are going to find the new numerator. Let's divide x times x minus 1 by x. The answer is x minus 1. Then we will multiply it to the numerator 5. That's why we have 5 times x minus 1. Then minus x times x minus 1 divided by x minus 1. The answer is x, because we can cross out x minus 1. Then we will multiply it to the numerator 3. That's why we have 3 times x. Then let's simplify. 5 times x minus 1 is equal to 5x minus 5. Then we will multiply negative 3 times x is equal to negative 3x. All over, copy the denominator x times x minus 1. Then we have to simplify the numerator by combining like terms. 5x minus 3x is 2x. Then just copy negative 5. All over x times x minus 1. As you can see, the numerator and denominator have no common factor. So that means this is the difference of the two rational algebraic expressions. 2x minus 5 all over x times x minus 1. This is the answer where the denominator is in factored form. We can also express this by expanding the denominator. That is x squared minus x. So we have 2x minus 5 all over x squared minus x. Let's try this example. 2 over x squared minus 2x minus 3 minus 2 over x squared minus x minus 2. First, we have to factor these denominators to easily find the LCD of the two expressions. So the factors of x squared minus 2x minus 3 are x plus 1 and x minus 3. The factors of x squared minus x minus 2 are x plus 1 and x minus 2. With this, we can easily find the LCD. First, we have to copy the common factor x plus 1, then the non-common factors x minus 3, x minus 2. Then we will multiply them. This will be our LCD. Then we will find the new numerator. We will divide this expression by the denominator x plus 1 times x minus 3. The answer is x minus 2 because we can cross out x plus 1, x minus 3. Then we will multiply it to the numerator 2. That is why we have 2 times x minus 2 minus, we will divide it again by the denominator x plus 1 times x minus 2. We can cross out x plus 1 and x minus 2, so we have x minus 3. Then we will multiply it to the numerator 2. That's why we have 2 times x minus 3. We will continue. 2 times x minus 2 minus 2 times x minus 3 all over x plus 1 times x minus 3 times x minus 2. We will simplify the numerator. 2 times x minus 2 is equal to 2x minus 4. Negative 2 times x minus 3 is equal to negative 2x plus 6 all over the denominator x plus 1 times x minus 3 times x minus 2. Then we are going to simplify the numerator by combining like terms. We have 2 because 2x minus 2x is 0. Negative 4 plus 6 is positive 2 over the denominator x plus 1 times x minus 3 times x minus 2. Since the numerator and denominator have no common factor, then this is our answer in factored form. Then we will expand the denominator so that we can express our answer in expanded form, and that is 2 over x cubed minus 4x squared plus x plus 6. Let's have this example. 2x minus 1 all over x plus 3 minus x plus 1 all over x minus 3. The two denominators have no common factor, so we will multiply them to have our LCD. X plus 3 times x minus 3. To find the new numerator, we will divide x plus 3 times x minus 3 by this denominator x plus 3. We can cancel out x plus 3, so we have x minus 3. Then we will multiply it to the numerator 2x minus 1 minus, let's divide this LCD by the denominator x minus 3. The answer is x plus 3 times the numerator x plus 1. Then we will simplify the numerator. We will multiply these two binomials. The answer is 2x squared minus x minus 6x plus 3 minus, then we will multiply these two binomials. The answer is x squared plus x plus 3x plus 3 all over the denominator x plus 3 times x minus 3. Then we will simplify the numerator by combining like terms. We have 2x squared minus 7x plus 3. Copy the subtraction symbol Then we will also simplify this by combining like terms. We have x squared plus 4x plus 3 all over the denominator x plus 3 times x minus 3. Let's continue. We will copy first the expression 2x squared minus 7x plus 3. Then we are going to multiply the negative outside to each term in the trinomial. So we have negative times x squared is negative x squared. Negative times positive 4x is negative 4x. Negative times positive 3 is negative 3. All over, copy the LCD. Let's simplify the numerator by combining like terms. The result is x squared minus 11x. All over, copy the LCD. X squared minus 11x because 2x squared minus x squared is x squared. Negative 7x minus 4x is negative 11x. Positive 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Then we will try to simplify our answer. But the numerator and the denominator have no common factor. So this is our answer, where the denominator is written in factored form. We can express this in expanded form, and that becomes x squared minus 11x all over x squared minus 9. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video, how to add and subtract dissimilar rational algebraic expressions. If you like this video, click like, put good comment, and share it to others. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell for you to be updated of my upcoming videos. Until next time, goodbye everyone.